In this video, let me show you how to get this free AI agent with the help of NVIDIA models. Actually, NVIDIA provides some list of free models that you can connect to this AI agent. The AI agent that we're going to use in this video is called the OpenCode, which is an open source AI agent. It is available for all the operating systems. And for Windows, you can also download it as a desktop app. You can see these are the features of the OpenCode. You can share the session, you can have the multi-session as well, and you can also share the link to others. And here you can see that to install this OpenCode, we need to have the Node.js installed. If you don't have the Node.js, open up a new tab and type Node.js and make sure you download the Node.js depending on your operating system. Once download, if you want to verify the Node.js has been installed completely or not, you can check it. So open up your command prompt and here just type node-version and you can see here we have the node, and let's also check for the npm, and we also have the npm. Once you have both these node and npm, then you can clear the screen and copy the command that we have provided. You can see that this is the command that we will use to install the OpenCode and press enter. It will install the OpenCode in our Windows machine. Now the OpenCode has been successfully installed. So instead of opening the OpenCode globally, I will open the OpenCode in the project folder. Actually, in my desktop, there is a project called the Finance Tracker. I will open the OpenCode inside this folder. So let me open the command prompt over here now, and here to open the AI agent, just type OpenCode. That's it, and you can see that we got the AI terminal agent. And here you have two options. Either you have the build mode as well as the plan mode. To switch, just press tab. You can see here now we switch to build. And if you want to see the models, just type /models. Here you can see largest Hornet model is there, but that is paid, and only these 5 are free one only. And Anthropic models also there. So if you want to connect your provider, you can see that just press Ctrl A, and here you can see we have lot of providers, and the provider that we're gonna use in this video is the NVIDIA's one. So just search for NVIDIA. Here you have the NVIDIA, and we need to provide the API key for this. So to get the API key, just open up your browser again and open up a new tab. Head over to this website called build.nvidia.com. So make sure you create your account on this NVIDIA website. I have already logged in using my account. So once you have logged in, you can see that is the dashboard. You can go to the model section to see what are the models are available. And here there are lots of models available. You can filter for free endpoint and click on apply. And you can see these are the models that we can use for free. We have the Minimax N3 and we have the Nemotron model, which is running on 550 billion parameters. And we have the Qwen model, and we have the DeepSeek model, and we also have the GLM model as well, 5.1, and many models are there. So first we need to generate the API key. To do that, just click on this icon over here on the top right hand side and click on API key, and click on generate API key and give a name for your API key. Now in this case, I'm gonna give subscribe, and I'm gonna set the expiration to 1 hour. And click on generate key, and we got the API key over here. So don't reveal this API key to anyone, and paste the API key over now and click on enter. Here you can see from the NVIDIA we have these many models. We have the Mistral model, Acetal, and the dashboard, right? So the model that I'm gonna choose is this Nemotron 3, or we can try the GLM 5.1. So let's see how this GLM 5.1 works. So what I will do is I will ask what is this project about. Immediately read the readme.md file and recommend that text file, and we got the reply as well. It is a Django based finance tracker project. Sometimes the problem with this free endpoints is that millions of users accessing the same endpoint. Sometimes you will get lag. So in this case, we have to switch the model. You consider we got this service unavailable, right? Because millions of users are accessing the same endpoint. That's why we got this issue exhausted. So I'm gonna choose the Nemotron model, and I'm gonna select the medium. Now let's ask the same prompt now. So update the dashboard to the old flash. There you can see it is giving us some plans. What are the features that you want? I'm gonna select all the features, and I'm gonna click on proceed. Here it will start build with this option, and on the right hand side you will see the tokens, and how much you spend, and how many percentage that you have used, and yeah. And before that, let me show you what this Django project is about. You can see that it starts modifying the code, right? Let me run the Django server now. Here you can see we have already get the updated dashboard over here, and it looks pretty good also. So yeah, this is how you get the free AI agent with the help of this NVIDIA model, and it is also pretty good that you see. It's also fast, and it already updated the code as well. So this is for this video, and I will continue in the next video.